welcome back you guys to IGCSE Math Solutions. But today we'll be talking about 8th and 9th graders, those who have just entered into 8th or 9th. So let's get started with the tips. First of all, firstly what you need to do is complete the syllabus. There is a syllabus which is given by the IGCSE board which has the points which you need to know before you attempt the board exams. So you need to complete the topics and get through all of it before you go on to the past papers. Next, do solve the questions given in your textbook. So whichever textbook you are following according to your school or you have selected it on your own, just go through the content and make sure that you go through the questions as well. Solve each of the questions. If you have any doubts, then get it solved with your adults or give it to your teachers, and definitely do each and every question of the book. Next, try and wrap up the syllabus by the end of 9th standard. What I mean by that, once you are about to finish your 9th grade, try that you have done with all your syllabus so that you can start with your papers from 10th standard. You need at least one whole year to do your past papers thoroughly. So try and wrap up the syllabus by 9th end. And next, don't overdo a topic. If you are weak in some chapter or some topic and you have constant issues with it, try to do it twice, thrice, but don't get your head so much buried into it that you don't focus on other subjects as well. So that is why don't overdo a topic. You will get there as and when you do the past papers. Next, what you will have to do is, if you want to check out some topical past papers, GCE guide, I have put a link down in the description box below. You can check it out. It's called GCE guide. There you get topical past papers for all your sciences, biology, chemistry, physics, and for mathematics according to the board. They are the past questions which have been asked in the past papers. So just check them out and you will have the mark scheme with it as well. Other than these topical past papers, you can also ask your teacher or your guide to provide you with some worksheets. Those worksheets which have been prepared keeping in mind the IGCSE board exam, and you can solve those as well. Now coming to the other part of this video, I have selected some textbooks which I was using or I have used past while I was preparing for my exams. So I'll be providing links to all these textbooks down in the description. If you want to purchase them online, you can buy them on Amazon. So first I have mathematics. For mathematics, I have a textbook by David Renner or the IGCSE course book, which both of them are endorsed by IGCSE board, so you can totally rely on them. I have personally used David Renner. It has some amazing problems and you can totally rely on it for your 8th and 9th standard syllabus. This book is for your 8th and 9th. You can use it in that period, and after that you will be all done with your syllabus which you have to cover for your IGCSE board exams. Next, for biology, I have Mary Jones and Ron Pickering. These two books, one is by Mary Jones and the other one is by Ron Pickering. I have been using the Ron Pickering version and that is also quite good. Also, you can use the syllabus copy along with these textbooks. There is something called as a syllabus copy which is available online at the CAIE website, and you can also refer that. It has some meanings and some descriptions which are not there in any textbook, but those are available in the syllabus copy. Next, for physics, I have 3 textbooks which are, one of them is by David Sang, other one is a Stephen Popley and Tom Duncan. Tom Duncan, it has a lot of chapters, as in it has around 50 chapters, but those chapters have been divided to a very minuscule level. For each chapter it is about 2 or 3 pages, so you can cover up the syllabus very easily using Tom Duncan. And Stephen Popley, it has some really good questions, and I had used Stephen Popley while I was in my schooling period. So both the books are very good. You can buy any of them, whichever is available near to you, or you can use the links in the description and buy them on Amazon. Finally, for chemistry, I have 2 textbooks. One is by Rosemary Gallagher, which I have used, and it is good in the sense the chapter selection and the arrangement of the chapters is really good. Also, the questions are up to the par of the level of IGCSE board exams. So you can rely on either of Rosemary Gallagher or Richard Harwood. So thank you guys. We are done with this video. I have shared some tips and tricks also, and the textbooks which I used and I recommend for you, so that you can do better in your IGCSE exams. And all the best. So guys, do remember to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. All the links are there down in the description box below. And if you have some queries, or if you want me to solve some past papers before my schedule plan, you can mail them to me. All the links are there in the description. And please subscribe.
Be strong. Strong.